Hello guys, welcome to Adulta Farm. In today's video, I will be explaining on how you can start up a grass cutter, step-by-step guide on how you can start up a grass cutter. I know I've dropped on one or two videos on grass cutter, but I decided to drop another new one about this grass cutter again. During the time that I dropped videos about the grass cutter, there are a lot of people that has contacted, that have asked me different questions about them, if I can help them to get a colony of a grass cutter to start with. Apparently it was the first time I dropped that video. There was a time that I have that grass cutter, but right now I've sold everything. But I was thinking of starting another one right now. Yes, I'm thinking of starting up another grass cutter right now, but still yet I can still help you guys to watch out for you if I can see from anywhere, and that I can be able to supply to you guys. So someone contacted someone called me last week, was asking me about a colony of grass cutter. When I ask questions about that, there are different answers people are giving to me. Some people say theirs is 80,000 naira, some people say it's 95,000 naira, some people say it's 100,000 naira, depending on the locations and the place that they are staying. So it all depends on the buyers. Like people, if you want to buy it all depends on, okay, this is the amount of colony that I want and this is how I can pay. But those are the common price that people are giving to me. And this kind of animal is a very scarce something. It's not all people that are going into it, because why? People think that it's just it's just a bushmeat, and meanwhile they are truth if they think that way, that grass cutter is a bushmeat. Yes, it's a bushmeat, but the demand of it right now is very, very high. So people that have this particular grass cutter, they are selling it at a high price. So if you want to buy it now, you'll be seeing people be giving you different prices about them. The reason is because the demand is very high. People are demanding for it. The demand is more than the supply. So that was the reason why the cost of the grass cutter is very, very high right now. And I believe that if you start up something like this, start with one colony of a thing, and in one colony we have 3 female and 1 male. But if you are lucky enough, you get 3 female and 1 male. So, and a mature grass cutter will reach 6 months. Then after 6 months, you can mate that particular grass cutter. Then you leave it for 8 months, so that grass cutter will deliver. So that is the gestation period. The gestation period of grass cutter will last for 5 good months. So, and if you want to buy it now, you can buy 3-month-old grass cutter. Yes, you can buy it now with a set, which is 1 colony. You can buy it right now. The grass cutter will be 3 months old. I have people that are ready to supply you this particular grass cutter right now, but their price is very high. Like I said, it depends on the place that they are. So that was the reason why the price are high, and it also depends on, because there is the people that are renting grass cutter, they are not much compared to the demand of grass cutter. So that was the reason why the price is very, very high. But if you want the price, please do well to contact me. I'll be dropping my contact list at the end of this video. Please do well to contact me, and I'll also give you guys my number. If you want to ask any questions, I'll answer you. But very soon I will try in as much as possible to start up my own, so it's very easy for my subscriber out there that if you want to buy, you can buy it directly from me, in order for me not to be running on scattered header just to get this grass cutter for you. But right now I didn't mind. If you can contact me, I can help you to get it, no problem. I can help you to look, watch out, and ask questions about them and get them for you. And you guys, as you guys know, grass cutter, they are very shy animals, so you can keep it. It's something that you can keep, and you can even do it at your backyard. You can do it anywhere, if only you have a good cage for them. There are 2 cages that you can construct for your grass cutter. It's either you are doing the iron cage, or you build a concrete cage for your grass cutter, like this particular concrete cage that I was showing right now. And the other one is the iron cage. So whichever one I want to construct for your grass cutter, you can do it. But a lot of people will tell you that they prefer the concrete pen than the iron cage of the grass cutter's house. But although if you are a beginner, you can still start with the iron cage, the particular one that is showing right now. You can start with this one, and still yet you can still be growing your grass cutter. So if the grass cutter reaches to one extent that they are start increasing, then you can separate them. You can build that particular one. That particular concrete building is for commercial farming. There are people that are going into it for commercial purpose, so you can build down for your commercial purpose. But if you are starting as a beginner, I would advise you to get a cage and start up your grass cutter business, and you will love it. It's a very simple thing. Most of their feed are being gotten from the bush, from the farm. You can give them on yam, you can give them on cassava, you can give them elephant grass, and you can give them sugar cane. So, and they will eat, and they are not prone to disease like compared to rabbits and some livestock. They are not prone to disease. Then you can just see a grass cutter getting sick day by day or just die just like that. No, they are not prone to disease. Their immune system is very high, so they can adapt some disease compared to like some other livestock. So it's a very good thing if you start up with grass cutter farming, and you will love it if you have something like that, especially even though you are not staying in Nigeria. The reason why I usually emphasize on if you are not staying in Nigeria is because most of people that usually contact me, most of them are saying they are not staying in Nigeria, but the business that are lucrative, that are profitable right now, those are one of the the business now of the livestock business that is very lucrative right now. For you to start up is grass cutter. If you start up grass cutter, you will not regret going into grass cutter farming. And I drop a video training concerning how you can start off your fish pond. I explain on how you can construct your fish pond and the feeds of your fish pond, the type of breed of fish that you can stock. Is either stocking a fingerlings or a hybrid. Whether you're stocking a Clara catfish or a hybrid. I explained that video, so if you want that video training, I can send it to you, and the price is 2,990 naira. 2,990 naira. So I will send you the link, then you go and watch that particular video. So if you have interest, contact me and I will send you that video. And very soon I'll be dropping my video training concerning goat farming also. For whichever people that have interest in goat farming, like I said, I have a goat farm that I'm doing very for currently I'm doing. So if you want to start up your own goat farm, or if you want any other information concerning goats, please do well to contact me and we'll talk from there. Like I said, I'll be dropping my contact list at the end of these videos. So that's the reason I decided to share these videos together. Grass cutter farming is very, very lucrative. In short, the demand is greater than the supply. So there is still room for you to join into this grass cutter business and start making good money from it. You can start with 1 colony, 4 colony, 10 colony, depending on your budget, depending on the capital, and depending on how you can manage your farm. So please have a blessed day and bye for now.